To remove the background from a photo on an iPhone, you can utilize a new feature in iOS 16. This feature allows you to quickly and easily remove the background from any photo, and then copy or share it with friends or on social media. To get started, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the photo you want to edit. Long press the subject of the photo, and the iPhone will outline it. You can then choose to either copy or share the image. If you copy the image and paste it into another app, it will likely have a white background. However, if you want to share the photo with a transparent background, select the Share option and choose where you want to share it. The photo will be sent with the background removed. This feature is built into the iPhone, so you don't need to download any third-party apps or visit websites to use it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove the background from any photo on your iPhone and share it as needed.